and finish on the other side.
11
Ito si
points.
Jeff Comia.
Second guy in double figures with 11. Oh, Mark Sanko able to trickle that one in. Last 2 minutes of the game. And Pasay up by a dozen. Comia, kick out. Escobedo, right corner free. Off the mark. Salubre gets it back and scores.
They need a bunch of stops here. Itong Davao.
Salubre with 9 points.
But expect Pasay to try and use the full length of their shot clock.
Dan Sara. Tabi. Against Salubre. Bonifacio. May pagbanggaan kay Harold Arboleda. Sanko takes that free. No. Forward pass Comia. Gets it to Salubre for back-to-back baskets. Davao Occidental still alive. Tabi using his speed to get past the half-court line. Pulls it back out to Dan Sara. A minute remaining. Oh, and Escobedo stealing his pocket. Raymart Escobedo with a layup.
Certainly very much wide open itong pinto para sa Davao Occidental Tigers. Suddenly, it's Pasay turning the ball over.
Tabi in trouble. They barely get the ball across. No need to foul if you're Davao. Time not on their side though. They need to score quickly if they get a stop. Sanko, free on the shot clock. Sara, a second remaining, puts it up. It's short. And a shot clock violation against Pasay. But they were able to burn some time, using the full length of the 24 on that possession. Timeout requested by Coach Arvin Bonleon. His team down by 6, 70-64. Special deal from 1xBet. Scan the QR code and claim your special offer. 30 seconds to go here in this game. Davao with the basketball, down by 6 points. And they need a quick basket. And this lead was as high as 21 points. Wala nang timeout ang Davao Occidental. Meron pang isa ang Pasay Voyagers.
It's important that they make do on this possession. Maybe get a quick one. It can either be a 2 or a 3, but what's important is makapunto sila dito.
Both teams in penalty. Jeff Comia, Raymart Escobedo, Keith Agovida, Harold Arboleda, and Janshor Salubre, the 5 on the floor for Davao, going up against the unit of Tabi, Salenga, Sanko, Coronel, and Bonifacio. Escobedo gets past his defender. Salubre puts it on the deck. Dangerous pass. Arboleda back to Salubre for free. Short. Escobedo gets it back. 16 seconds remaining. Salubre tries one more time. Wala pa din. Had 2 looks but couldn't convert.
I think he had an open shot the first time he got that basketball.
Yung unang pasa, no?
And that was more in rhythm compared to that 2 shots that he actually took.
Yeah. That pass, then he opted to drive baseline. Bonifacio, chance to ice it here. Good on the first. Must feel good for Pasay after 2 heartbreaking losses at home. In a place in the start where they seemingly were unbeatable, but lost for the first time against San Juan, then bounced back nicely against Cebu, and then those defeats nga against Pampanga and Bataan. But here, they had to fight off this resurgent Davao Occidental Tigers squad. But in the end, despite missing their top gun, Lawrence Victoria, they improved to 6-3 at home. You saw those losses against San Juan and Pampanga. Then that big win early in the season against Ilagan Isabela. But tonight, victory secured over the Davao Occidental Tigers.
The highlight of this game was really the spectacular play of their backcourt. Of course, Felipe Chavez and Cyrus Tabi really helping them kickstart what was a great run by Pasay.
Their final score, 72 for the Pasay Voyagers, 64 para sa Davao Occidental Tigers.